Life. I've walked this path 1,000 miles. 1,000? Yes, if yet not more. This virgin path I see ahead both fascinates and daunts me. The one I've made that comes behind me seems to do the same. Along the way, there's been some things that have made me turn my head. From strange but shiny, sparkly lights to eerie hums of dread. Both beauty and beast beholds my view, neither of which stay long. But foul and grace both befriended me, without whom I'd be alone. I've sincerely tried to step oh so softly, to make my way discreet. But every now and then again, I am swift to move my feet. From hidden rustles beneath the ground to heavy fallen hail, to find a place that's somehow safe to rest my weary tail. I've even stopped to smell a rose and pricked my little finger, but also found a field of flowers to lie in and just linger. Deja vu has made me wonder, am I getting anywhere? Or am I prone to simply wander, aimless without so much a care? Some days and nights seem long to me, yet others not so much. I do not know which one suits best. It's not for me to judge. I've collected things to eat and use, like acorns, vines, and stones. But some things I see do best untouched, like beetles, bugs, and bones. I've cried and laughed, felt pity too, been angry, scared, and downright mad. Used all my strength to build a thing without so much a plan. I've not seen many others treading, yet their evidence is clear. For remnants, footprints, and broken branches don't just randomly appear. I do not know where I shall be in yet another 1,000 mile, but as I walk, I shall not rush, and try always to bear a smile.